Yo, what's good, everybody? Happy Thursday. It's another day. We here. Underground Wealth Road, MJ the conductor, and this is a money train. So, if this is your first time watching the pre-market show to where we give you several picks for the day, talk about what's going on, welcome. Make sure that you like, share, and of course, subscribe, because over here, we're talking about money. We're here to help you make money. We got courses, insight, analysis that you're probably not going to get other places, so just tune in. Like, we're gonna go ahead and get going. So, like, a lot of people have been trying to figure out what's going on with the markets lately. People have been calling the bottoms. So, hey, let's just take a look at it. That's just how I say. Just take a look at it, see what's going on, because you can't always listen to what's going on in the mainstream media. So, you know, I didn't have really anything in particular to talk about today. But I do want to start out by talking about just some of the main indicators or overall things that people are looking at when they're trying to figure out what's going on with the market, especially the crypto market. And like me personally, like, I never really got much into crypto. I use crypto to, you know, gauge what the other markets are doing in a sense. So, for example, like, you know, when Bitcoin is going up or down, you know, I trade the mining companies. You know what I mean? To me, I just know them better, and I get like a better return than like people who are like holding Bitcoin, buying and selling Bitcoin. You know, well, in terms of percentage, you know, you could be really spending a lot of money doing what you do. But like looking at Bitcoin right now, obviously it's gotten trashed. Like, that you could really say since November. But you know, people got short-term memory. So let's take a look at the chart and see, like, what can we expect Bitcoin to do today or maybe over the next couple of days. And we can see if we can, you know, pick out a few good trades off of what we expect to happen. So go ahead and jump into it. So here we go. We got Bitcoin right here. All right, this is on a 4-hour chart. All right, and as you can see, you know, you just got Bitcoin obviously trending down under this 200, and it's just like, man, if you just been holding like since way back here, I don't know why you're still holding, but I mean, it's up to you, of course. Not investment advice here. But here we go. Like, we made a run towards that 200, you know, May 31st. Tried to bring it back, like, bring it back. But Bomb Squad stepped back in, took it right back down. Looks like this is like an area of support because we have several bounces here off of that support line there. All right, several bounces there right around that area of support. And then we also have the, you know, 200-day moving average moving right down in it with it, excuse me. So, I mean, depending on what happens here, you know, obviously, you know, we'll see. If we break down past this level right here, and what is that exactly? Ash, I need to blow it up for myself. I can't even see it on the screen. That's 28,614. So we fall past 28,614 and actually end up like hanging around there for a second. I don't know where we could fall, you know, even further to. But hey, for people that love crypto, good for you. I don't have anything against it. I'm just gonna short the shit out of it right now, you know. If you can see, you know, crypto ain't coming back anytime soon. It's just not, you know what I'm saying? It may have found its floor here in that 28.6 range, which is good. So would I say it's a buying opportunity? No, because I'm not buying anything long underneath the 200. That's just a no-no for me. But if you want to do that, you can. So we can take a look at the broader market. So, like, you know, obviously we do a lot of trading of SPY over here, S&P 500. And I'll just take you. I'll give y'all what the people on TV give y'all. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna give y'all the let's go look at Netflix. You know what I'm saying? Everybody thinks that the market is coming back. I heard somebody online talking about the market coming back in June. Maybe June 25. Cause I tell you, it won't be that of that. We cashing out on shorts over here. Anyway, So as you can see here, Netflix, this baby fell underneath here, that 200 on this daily chart here. What was that? Back like 560s range. And I mean, if you don't understand like how much money has been lost in this economy, I mean, just take a look at this. I'm talking about 47%. 47% gone. And 146 days. And I remember this period back here. This is when you folks thought, you know what I'm saying, when that guy lost 430 million, this is where you folks thought was coming back. What the hell are you doing buying over here? I don't even understand. And that's why I really feel like, you know, certain people, however you learn how to trade is just, you know what I'm saying? I guess if you were doing some short-term stuff in here, of course, you could have made a little bit of money. But I mean, just look at the overall trend. Should have went the other direction. Should have been on the bomb squad. All right. Should have been on team home seller. You know what I'm saying? Not home buyer. But anyways, moving on, we got like Dow Jones. Dow Jones here. You know, everything here is looks like it's kind of making a nice little rally. And I mean, that's commendable. You know what I'm saying? I like that. A lot of money that has been made, you know what I'm saying, over the last couple of days, you know, if you've been trading this. But just over the long term, you know, you got to see the Dow, you know, get back for me above, you know, 34.7. 34.7 is a good range for me to where I say, you know, we're really in a good place. Other than that, personally, if we get up to that 33.5 range and we get rejected there, that's going to be another great place to possibly grab some puts. You know what I'm saying? Get on the bomb squad. Get everything going there. All right. So, overall, like, what do you buy? So, you know, you just really just go to like those energy companies. One of my favorite ones, even though it may not be doing the best right now, is Plug Power. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a technical trader, and you know, I try to find things that are really gonna produce some really good swings. And right now, Plug Power is another one of those companies in the energy sector. I mean, we can close over 1841, you know, over the next couple of days, then that'll be a good play. If not, then, you know, I'll wait until I get another buying opportunity on something like Plug Power. But you know, they have options on it. A lot of good growth to be expected with all the energy companies. And you know, people invest and trade different ways. You know, if you're one of those people and you're just like a swing trader like I am, and you're just looking for things that, you know, are going to make good swings, then the energy companies definitely are going to do quite well for you, considering where we at now with Brent. Okay, Brent's come down a little bit, but, you know, the energy companies, they're not going down. You know, they're just going to do well as we move into the future. I mean, this is on the weekly chart here, so, you know, you come up pretty well. All right, so in terms of what's going on today, I would just say today for the market, I would say, like, watch what Bitcoin is going to do over the course of the day, and that's going to give you several opportunities and really, you know, several things about what you should do, you know, over the next couple of days or weeks, because there's only a few barometers of the market. Of course, you can have things that squeeze up, but most of everything really travels in packs. So that's just one thing that you want to be on the lookout for. All right. Because at the end of the day, if you just, you know, look at some of these picks that I have on my list recently. All right, let's see how they did recently. All right, you got Amplify Energy. You know, this is another one of those energy companies I've been talking about. I mean, this is just straight, clean money. Straight, clean money. That's all it is. You know what I mean? You could have easily got in here, right here. And this is on the 2-hour chart. Back in January, could have jumped right in here, right behind my head, at $3.21. Just this year alone, talking about 190% return. So when people are telling you, certain, I don't know, indexes to invest in, that's cool. Like, you can invest in what you want, but did you get 190% return? Some of the other picks that I really like. Let's see. More energy. Talos Energy. Boom. Same thing. Since January, up 100%. Console Energy. Another one of my favorites. I feel like Console Energy has been running forever. Back in February, $23, $53 now. So everybody, you don't have to like day trade or anything like that. You just got to be able to understand good companies in the sense of like what they do broadly. Because the stock market, the way it's set up, like a lot of these companies, they say they do certain things and they might be overvalued, but it shouldn't matter to you as an investor. You just really want to catch when something's making money, you want to be on that side. And when it's not making money, like, you don't want to be on that, of course. But these are just all energy companies that you definitely should take a look at. So if you can't see the list, like Southwestern Energy, oh my God, that's almost like that. If you ask anybody in the group, like that was like the trade of a lifetime. Like it wasn't back in May, it was back in March. Like right in this area, this day, I tried to place like 100 call options on a $6 call, and it didn't execute. And I really didn't come back because I was trading other stuff that day. I didn't come back and I could have paid, the extra dollar per contract and went ahead and got it. But look what happened. It went up 60% over the next 26 days. So the picks are here. There are things that are, making money in today's market, still doing pretty well. But probably aren't things like these. Like, I mean, if you like something safe and you want to ride, a couple percent, well, downwards in the case of like, Apple or some of these other companies, like if that's what you want to do, nobody can stop you. But if you want explosive growth, then join the group. I mean, join Freedom Through Trading. Join the money train, because I can show you that inside our Discord, I don't even have it set up on this browser. I'll show you another time. But inside our Discord, we have alerts that come to, our traders every day, and can make money off of it. Buy and sell alerts. Just $3 a day if you want to join the group. If you want the course, $150 a month. Get it up front, $1,500. That's totally up to you. All right. But outside of that, I've already said it before. Check out Bitcoin today. I'm not saying anything is gonna particularly happen with it, but we'll see what happens. And I believe that's gonna be my cue. Catch y'all later.